I discovered the secret to doing my own books at home without having to hire anybody, and it's not what you think. Bookkeeping can feel like that one chore that you know you need to do, but it always falls to the bottom of your list. And a lot of small business owners think that they need this whole team or a complicated spreadsheet. But the truth is, you could do it yourself and it doesn't have to take you hours. So if you've avoided it because it's boring or it's not your thing, I definitely get it because that used to be me. But that's also why your cash flow is unclear, tax season is a hot mess, and your money never makes sense. This might be controversial, but bookkeeping is what makes or breaks your business. Did you know that 70% of small businesses fail due to poor money management? Not bad products, not bad marketing, just not knowing where the money's going. So let me walk you through what you need step by step. Step 1, open a business account. Stop mixing your business and your personal finances because that creates chaos and it makes tracking impossible. Step 2, choose your system. You don't need a big one. QuickBooks Online or Google Sheets can work when you're getting started, but you just need to be consistent. So track your income and your expenses and save all of your receipts. Step 3, pick one day a week. 30 minutes, that's it. I do mine every Friday morning and it's become part of my routine, like checking my emails. But doing it weekly helps to catch mistakes and stay ahead. Step 4, know your categories. Don't just call everything an expense. I see this all the time. Make sure that you break it down between software, meals, marketing. This helps you with your taxes and it shows you where your money's going. Step 5, review your financials monthly. Tracking it isn't enough. Make sure that you review your numbers and ask yourself, what did I spend the most on? Did I make enough money? And what could I come back on? You'll look at bookkeeping completely different after this. It's not just about data, it's about control. So if you're thinking this still sounds like a lot, I built a simple bookkeeping checklist and a starter sheet for small business owners like you. It's completely free, so make sure that you check the link below. And if you're serious about getting your finances together, my course breaks it down even further with screen recordings, real walkthroughs, and tools that I actually use.